Hi students, it's very interesting to discuss morphology and today we will learn about non-affixations as part of morphology process with me Pak Afif Ikhwanul Muslimin. To recall our understanding about the definitions of affixations, Nordquist 2019 mentions that it is a process of adding a morpheme or affix to a word to create new word. So you will add a suffix, infix, circumfix or prefix to create a new word. But in non-affixation process, you will create a word by distinguishing it by the stress pattern, tonal melody, length contrast, an accentual pattern, or another change in the properties of segment. There are some non-affixation process in morphology. The first is reduplications, means that you will reduplicate or repeat the root of the word. There are three types. The first is exact, means that you will repeat exactly the word like blah blah, bling bling, boo boo, and bye bye. And usually it happens in baby. And the second is rhyming. It means that you will create a new word by creating word rhymes like business, boogie woogie, boy toy, click flick, clap trap. Means that you will try to create rhyme by changing the sounds of consonant. The third is upload. Upload is trying to create a new word by reduplications by changing the sounds of vowel. For example, like chit chat, crisscross, dilly dally, ding dong, flim flam, and flip flop. The second non-affixation morphology process is clipping. When you take a look at the pictures, means that it is a clip or a cut. So you try to subtract part of the word. When it is back clipping, you will try to cut the back part of the word. So you cut the graph from photograph into photo. You will have math from mathematics and lab from laboratory. When it is for clipping, it means that you will cut something in front or something in the beginning. So you will have phone from telephone, cater from alligator, burger from hamburger, plane from airplane. When it is mid clipping, you will retain the middle part of the word. For example, you will say flu from influenza, tech from detective, fridge from refrigerator. The third non-affixation process is blending. This is a merging two words into one to create new word. For example, we have breakfast and lunch, it become brunch. We have motel is motor hotel. We have smoke, smoke and fog. We have transfer resistor become transistor. Advertisement entertainment, advertainment. We have cyborg, comes from cybernetic and organism. Biopic, we have biographical and picture. And we have chortle, chuckle, and snort. The next non-affixation process is acronym. An acronym is a word from the initial letters of a name or by combining initial letters of a series of words. So in short, we can say that there are a long phrase or long words, then it becomes short. There are two types of acronym here. The first is alphabetism, which means that we will read the acronym letter by letter. But in lexicalizations, so something long becomes short, but we consider the result of the acronym as a word. For example, in alphabetism, we have COD, means cash on delivery, POS, point of sale, UN, United Nations, USB, Universal Serial Bus, WWW, World Wide Web, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporations. In lexicalizations, you will not read RADAR, but you will read radar. Stands for radio detecting and ranging, sonar, sound navigation radar, daemon, disk and execution monitor, laser, light amplifications by the stimulated emissions of radiations. So you could hear the difference how to read those two types of acronym. So you have learned four types of non-affixation morphology process. So try to find out another example in your life, then try to adjust the definitions that I mentioned with your easiest understanding definitions. Thank you. Keep learning. See you later.